Good day to you. I'm Chachivan from University of Science Malaysia. Today, I'd like to introduce to you our product called as Eco-Process Concrete, or in short, we call it as Epconc, which is the trademark name of this product. Do you know that concrete is the most consumed material in the world? At the current global consumption and production, concrete is being produced at a rate of 25 billion tons a year. Concrete is the most used material in the world because it is used for structural and infrastructure development for human civil infrastructures. The fact that is less known is the production of concrete has resulted in a very serious environmental degradation due to extraction of raw materials such as limestone, granites, and also sand for concrete production. On the other hand, there is another set of solid waste management problem encountered by the steel manufacturing sector, the coal power production sector, and also the quarry operation sector, which they release a substantial amount of solid waste into the environment as the byproduct from their production in the form of steel slag, the coal bottom ash, and also the quarry dust. So our system, which is Eco-Process Concrete, actually provides a system, process, and also material design to recycle this byproduct from the quarry, the power production sector, and also the steel manufacturing sector into binder and aggregate system for concrete production. By doing that, we are essentially solving both the problems related to the solid waste management and also the environmental degradation due to concrete production. So far, we have done our technology benchmarking against two common construction materials, that is the Portland cement and also the sand and aggregate system. So by using our Eco-Process Concrete as the binder system for concrete production, we managed to achieve a cost saving up to 24% and also a strength enhancement of 52% in comparison to a Portland cement system. If we use Eco-Process Concrete technology as an aggregate system for concrete production, we achieve a cost saving up to 7.2% per cubic meters of concrete and enhance the strength performance up to 26% in comparison to a conventional concrete materials. In terms of intellectual properties, the Eco-Process Concrete is protected by 2 patents granted, 1 patent filed, and also we have a trademark for the Epconc name in 2015. Now, I would like to elaborate on the potential of the commercialization for this materials technology. The closest is we actually make comparison. We use the ordinary Portland cement as the benchmark for comparison. So if we look at the production rate of ordinary Portland cement for the past 10 years, we notice that the average production of OPC is 18 million tons a year. Considering the current rate of the material, we are looking at a revenue stream of over 4 billion ringgit Malaysia a year. And the main players in the market are actually Hume, Tasek, SEMA, and also YTR. Right? So considering that our product can capture 1% of the market, we are looking at a business with a projected revenue of over 40 million ringgit Malaysia a year. Moving towards commercialization of the technology, we have signed an MOU with a property developer, which is a public listed company, Seal Incorporated Berhad, and at the same time, we have received a letter of intent from Macro Dimension Concrete, which is a construction material producer. So with the involvement with these two key industry players, we are a complete value chain comprising of the producer and also the end user. Right? So we are working on the business model of business to business supply in order to complete the transaction. With that, thank you very much for your kind attention. That's all for me.